I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. As the cold front sinks farther south and west, our highs tomorrow in all areas are in the upper 20s to the 30s. Snow, rain, and a wintry mix are possible across central and eastern areas tomorrow through tomorrow night when low pressure lifts northeast across Kansas. Slick conditions are possible from ice accumulations ranging from a light glaze to a tenth of an inch. Snow accumulations of less than an inch are focused to the north of I-80. Where it's warmer, rain is the most likely type of precipitation across central and eastern Kansas. Higher precipitation chances favor eastern locations, and those chances may linger into Saturday. A building ridge of high pressure begins a short-lived warming trend over the weekend, highs peaking the upper 40s to the mid-50s on Sunday. A cold front arriving Monday afternoon drops our highs to the upper 30s to the mid-40s by Wednesday. Checking the long-term forecast, warmer than normal temperatures are heavily favored for Nebraska and Kansas Tuesday through Christmas, especially next weekend through Christmas Day. It looks to be mostly dry with below normal precipitation predicted Tuesday through Christmas Day for both Nebraska and Kansas. The regional drought monitor continues to see little, if any, changes. Nebraska continues to be 6% drought-free, with drought-free to abnormally dry locations along and south of a line from Sidney to Elm Creek. The rest of central and eastern Nebraska, along with the southern panhandle, are in moderate drought. Custer County and north central Nebraska from Valentine to Norfolk remain in severe drought. 8% of Nebraska continues to experience extreme drought. That includes northern locations of Antelope and Madison counties and the northwest panhandle. Kansas is in mostly good shape after the second wettest November on record. That includes a 2 percentage point increase to 33% drought-free. It's drought-free to abnormally dry in much of western Kansas and locations along and south of I-70. The only trouble spots are over north central and northeastern Kansas, along with southern Rollins to northern Thomas counties of the northwest where there is moderate drought. Key weather factors affecting the markets include increasing dryness in western wheat areas of the southern plains, while other U.S. locations are active, and mostly light rain in Argentina. Cold conditions in the Midwest and East ease this weekend, with above normal temperatures returning early next week. Downwind of the Great Lakes, snow squalls subside by tonight. This weekend through early next week, a couple of fast-moving disturbances track across the U.S., generating light precipitation. The initial disturbance produces Midwestern rain and snow this weekend, along with some light rain in the south. Early next week, a second system results in similar impacts, leading to 5-day precipitation totals reaching as much as 1 to 2 inches from northeastern Texas into the lower Ohio Valley. Western wheat areas of the southern plains continue to be bypassed by most of the precipitation, which has been dry after a very wet November. Nebraska in the southwestern plains has the worst drought. In Argentina, rain is missing key corn and soybean areas across the central and south. Drought could expand in Argentina, with the forecast favoring light rain instead of widespread heavy rain. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.